Opogore mag piny owacho kod maok mag piny owacho e kaunti ma Homa Bay ojiwo rowere mondo mi odhi nyime nyayo kwe ka chenro mag doho bende dhi nyime. Ka idhialo odiechieng' mar rowere, puoch omed mi rowere e boma ma Homa Bay kuom tayore e yo makare kinde mag yiero kod toke yiero kata bedni nitiere chochni matindo tindo. Jalup County Commissioner ma Homa Bay Jude Wasonga owacho ni kwe ema kelo dongruok kendo oganda owinjo bedni ahinya to rowere one ni giketo kwe e kinde duto te.
Today's event, we are celebrating International Youth Day celebration, where we involve young people to champion for development agendas and to be the agent of change at the community level. As you can see in regards to our theme today, it is called intergenerational dialogue, I believe so, if I'm not wrong. So we want just to create a sustained engagement when it's come to different generation, whereby the older generation can engage meaningfully with young people at the community level.
And this is also an opportunity for us as youth in Homa Bay to show that we are peaceful people. That whatever the outcome is, we are still peaceful. We are not going to destroy anything. We are not going to burn down anything. And this is going to start with a procession from here that our county commissioner is going to flag us off. And as we walk from here to Kabunde, it is a way of showing solidarity, that the old are also included in everything that they do. So we expect to see the older generation even today as we move out to Kabunde.
It is indeed a very good occasion, and I'd like to thank all those people who have made this possible, and to thank especially the youth for showing the rest of the world that elections can be done in peace. People are anticipated there will be some chaos, but the youth play their role as well as everybody else, and that is the way to go.